All right, folks, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be checking out to see how hot this GoPro gets when you record at 4K at 60 frames a second. I'm not sure if you're aware, but it gets pretty hot, and we're going to check it out. Right now, it is been recording for a couple of minutes, 2 minutes and 34 seconds, and we are currently at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. But we can get this so you can't even touch the darn thing. So I'm curious on how hot yours gets. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,